Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are back from my other video, thanks for coming back because that means the world to me. Sorry, I'm like sweating. Anyways, so this is gonna be the look we're going for today. It's actually all from the new Patrick Starr summer collection with MAC. I used his eyeshadow, I used the bronzer, and I used a highlight and one gloss. I really hope you guys enjoy it. We'll jump right into it, and please come back next week for more. I'm actually going to do most of my stuff kind of off camera so we can kind of get into the juiciness. Of course, I'm gonna start in with my MAC Painterly, and I'm just gonna go over my whole lid with it. I'm trying to take it, they have like this stuff in it. I'm trying to take it off, but it doesn't really come off. Anyways, this is the palette. So we have, I think I'm gonna have some fun with like these three colors a little bit more. This one might go somewhere, like maybe on my lower lash line or something. I'm gonna go in with Sandy Crotch, which I love the names for his stuff. It makes me laugh so hard. I'm just going in with a fluffy brush. Ooh, there's some kickback, but nothing kind of concerning at all. And then I'll just get my mirror over here, and I'm just gonna go in right into my crease with that. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade just over here. So that's just gonna add some depth, and I'm gonna get it a little bit more on my outer corner just to start lifting up my eye. I think I actually find that the formulation some of his pigments are actually better than some of the MAC just the single shadows. I find them a little bit more creamy. Yeah, I mean, even looking at myself in my mirror, that's like really harsh. I don't really see anything bad. It's quite normal. I have like certain red spots on my eyes, so that's just my skin. It's not the shadows. But yeah, now we're gonna dip into my favorite shade, which is this guy over here. It's just a little red shade. So that shade is called Rudy. And we're gonna go in, and I really want to saturate my brush for this if you guys want to see how it looks like now. Can you guys see? I'm sure you guys saw it as soon as I dusted the shadow. I kind of like the way it looks with my hair. It gives it like a decent contrast. Girl, I'm rarely speechless, but I'm speechless right now. I'm shocked. Okay. We're gonna go in with the other one. Again, I'm gonna clean it up after. I'm just getting that saturation in, and then I'm gonna get it to shape kind of the way I want it to shape. I'm like loving this. Like, oh, you lovely seals. Lovely little Red Riding Hood calling to get your cape back, but it's on my eyes. I'm just gonna kind of soften up the edges back with the lighter shade. Just because the red is pretty intense, I don't want to look completely crazy. I will do also like a wing liner today because we're living. Okay, so I'll dip into the first collection he did with MAC. This is Patrick Starr Glam AF. So it's another quad of eyeshadow, and I am going to go in with Oh My God, which I'll show you guys. It's just like a really light shimmer shade right over here. We're living. It's gonna be like a fire sunset. I'm just gonna go grab actually the lightest shade from that I just saw in this one, which is this guy over here. Just want to kind of again blend out edges and make it look maybe a little bit more soft around my eye, just because I get scared of colors like this, but I still want to wear them. Dad, I'm filming! What? I'm gonna go find my eyeliner. So So I'm just gonna go and do my liner off camera. I'm just gonna do a quick wing just because it's not really kind of the center of the video, but for reference, this is a Smashbox Always On liquid liner. I really love it. I'm pretty happy with the way it turns out, just because it did really pretty quick. I'm still gonna grab some of my makeup wipes, which are from Walmart. Don't judge. That's kind of how I like my liner. I just wear for like everyday basis. Yeah, it would look down, but like I don't want you guys to see how bad this is. Like I'm not super happy with them, but we're leaving. Ooh. Ow, I just don't think they'll be in the eye. Okay, so I'm just going to step out and just get this complexion under control, and I'll be right back because we do have two powders. We have a bronzing powder as well as a highlight to test out today, and then we'll finish up with the lips, but I'll be back in like 5 minutes, probably like 30 minutes real time, but I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. So now that I have my foundation on and I feel normal, I mean, I look really pale, so that's okay because we actually have a bronzer in this collection with a, we all know he's a bronzer queen, so yeah, this bronzer has a great name. It's called Give Me a Life, and it's this powder. It's really just a natural powder. Kind of reminds me of Chocolate Soleil and the Marc Jacobs Omega powder. I believe it's completely matte, so it looks great. So we're gonna go in with a fluffy brush. This is my Sephora Pro brush. It's the number 59, and it's a precision powder brush. I'm just gonna go in and dip that, and then I'm just gonna look how it looks. Ooh! This is definitely gonna be like my new favorite bronzer. I am shook on how beautiful this is. I think he absolutely slayed it. And now we're gonna get to my second favorite part because I love bronzer. But who doesn't love a highlight? And we know he has a little bit of a more tan, I wouldn't say deep skin tone. He has more of a tan skin tone. So I love how this highlight, I love one, how it's pressed. Two, I really like the color of it. It's kind of more of a gold goddess color. And so imagine, before we go into cheeks, I'm actually going to highlight my inner corner of my brow bone. There we go. Cool. So, oh my gosh, I love this. It's literally like sunset. It was the first collection he came out with. He got like this powder. It was my holy grail. And then, of course, it was like limited edition, right? Because it was the Patrick Starr collection. It was literally the best setting powder ever. Now it's gone. I'm really sad. I actually like keep mine for like only special occasions because I don't want it to go away. Because I love it so much. So Patrick, if you're seeing this, please bring it back. Please. Because it makes my face look like 10 times better than this. I'm going to use the Take Me Home Duo from his spring collection, which I believe is still being sold at MAC, which is these two guys, and I'm gonna go and dip in a little bit more to this one than this one just because I want that shimmer from that shade to show up just a little bit on my cheeks. And I'm just gonna use my powder brush that has some setting powder to it. Just kind of blend it in my cheeks so it's a little less harsh. Anyways, Sister Shook, we're gonna dip in with the highlighting brush. I love also how it's not glittery. It's kind of just like a nice shimmer. Oh, that looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably I can see it better. I feel like the lighting is pretty harsh on my face, but this is like a golden kind of more bronzy highlight. If that makes any sense. And it's looking so good. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see it. Okay. I'm living. Okay, I'm officially shook with this. I know I'm like not talking a lot about the products I'm using. You guys know it's the Patrick Starr summer collection. Did he have a name for this? It's called Summer Starr, and I love that because we have that choice. We either have kind of a rosy tone gloss, which this one is the cream pie gloss. I'll search that on the internet. Okay, and then we have Fashion. Oh no, they printed the number on top of it. Okay, hold on. So, Fashion Punch and Cream Pie. They're all both like, I think I'm gonna go in more with the Fashion Punch. I think it's this one. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go for the more bronzy one just because it'll go better with the oranges, and if we had more of a pink eye, I feel like that sounded weird. If we had more of a pink look going on, I would have went more with this one. Just gonna line my lips. This is Stripped Down from MAC. Okay, so once they're lined, we're just gonna go in with the gloss. I've been super impressed with the gloss we've done before, so hopefully I like this one as well. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not really a gloss girl. I don't like the like tackiness feeling of it, so I always find that his glosses are just so pretty. I just can't not wear them. So we're gonna try and see how this one feels on the lips. First opening. I love that sound. It's so satisfying. Okay, so this one too is gonna be I'm gonna have to wear it because it looks cute. The color is so pretty. And they feel, I don't know how to explain it. They don't feel as tacky as a gloss usually does. They feel a little bit more like soft. For sure something you would have to reapply because it is a gloss. Usually it doesn't really stain or anything. I'm just going to swatch both of them next to each other so you guys can see the difference, because I feel like in the bottle they look very, very similar. And so yeah, those are the two glosses he did. So Fashion Punch and Cream Pie. Cream Pie is the more rosy one. Fashion Punch is going to be the more brown tone one. So these are my swatches. So right here you have the Cream Pie, and then you have Fashion Punch over here, and this is the one I'm wearing today. And I just have Stripped Down as a lip liner, which is a very neutral lip liner. It works with a lot of lip colors. Okay, cool. So these are just that's the eyeshadow palette. Right, I'm trying to get them in. This is not my type of deal, but this is kind of the red we use. Then we have all of these Extreme Pigment. Even the matte shades are absolutely stunning. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. For me, it's like my first time doing this. I'm gonna just go pop some mascara on and come back just for the outro and intro. But final thoughts, he killed it again. Again, because like I'm saying, I tried all of his products. I'm absolutely in love. So Patrick, please keep collabing with MAC because absolutely stunning. So this is kind of a more of a red tone look. Next video I'll be doing more of a makeup no makeup if you guys are into that, and I'll be right back just to say bye. Okay guys, so this is a finished look. I'm just gonna get you guys a little bit closer and kind of show you. I'm in love with this. Okay, perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's kind of a new thing where I really talk through what I'm doing. I know I was shook most of the time, so I wasn't really talking. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and push that bell notification so you guys can be notified every time I put up a new video. Tell your friends about me, please, because it's my second video and I want subscribers. And yeah, thank you. See you guys next week.